guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a great and amazing day today. We have a very special episode today. We're going to be talking about Fundrise and how much money I made off about $1,000 investment into this. Now, I invested a little over $1,000 and we're going to be breaking down everything you pretty much must know about Fundrise and how much money I made from it. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you have any questions, honestly, let me know down in the comments. And guys, let's dive into this one. Hit that like button and subscribe because it really helps me out when you guys do that. So let's jump into it. Alright, so for those of you that don't know what Fundrise is pretty much a way to invest in real estate. Now, a lot of people think you need hundreds or thousands of dollars to invest into real estate, but that's not the case anymore. With Fundrise, they pretty much use crowdfunding to invest into real estate properties. So maybe you only have $10 or $20 to invest and you want to invest into real estate. Pretty much what they do is they pool your money with other investors and they go out and buy different real estate properties. Now, these real estate properties can be anything from residential, single family, multifamily, and even some commercial properties. Now, the beauty of this is as these properties appreciate, so does that $20 that you invested. Also, as the tenants pay their lease, rent, mortgage, or whatever it is, you guys get a little bit of that money in the form of dividends. So it's a great way to, one, get some appreciation for your money, two, get some dividends, to start creating a passive income stream. So now that we understand what Fundrise is it worth it, and how much money have I made? Alright, so looking at my account, you guys will notice I have a little over about $1,200 in this account, which is relatively decent. I invest, weekly anywhere from about $10 to about $15 per week into this account here. Now, looking at it, you guys will notice that I have made year to date $6.59. $6.59, all right, relatively good, right? The beauty of Fundrise is they don't charge any, they don't charge any monthly fees. They charge something called advisory fees, which is pretty much, it goes by how much money you have invested with them. So I paid, a little under $1 for my advisory fees. So I made, about $5. Also, I got about $1.43 in dividends, which is not too bad. But this is year to date. In 2022, this account got hit pretty hard where I lost about $67 worth of profit. So obviously, anytime you invest, whether it's in real estate, stocks, you're risking money and you have to understand that. So for me, I think, okay, am I worried about that $67? Absolutely not. This is a long-term investment that I have fun investing in. Now, if you're comparing this to just the general stock market, like most people do, because they think, okay, if I'm investing here, I could be missing out on opportunity elsewhere. So looking at it here, you notice the S&P 500 is up about 8.3%. which is way better than the 0.5% that this real estate fund has done. So for me, the best strategy and mindset that I have is one, when you invest in a Fundrise, one, you're diversifying into real estate. Two, you're developing a passive income. Three, anytime you invest into the stock market for me is it's a lot more risky. With risk, you have higher risk, often leads to higher rewards, and that's just kind of what we've seen. So my recommendation is to be invested into a bunch of things. Be invested into real estate, be invested into the stock market. Just start investing. Whether you guys invest $5 or $100,000, the biggest thing is just starting and just being consistent. The way I always think of investing is like going to the gym. If you go to the gym one time, that's great, but you're not in shape. If you go 2 times, that's fantastic, but you're not in shape. You have to go consistently to get in shape. With investing once is awesome, but it's not great. Twice, not awesome, but good. But investing consistently, whether you invest into this real estate fund or you invest in just the S&P 500, both are fantastic and I would highly recommend doing both. But guys, that is it. I recommend all this stuff. Hit that like button, subscribe. And honestly, with a shorter video, do I love Fundrise? I think it's great. I think it's a great way to be diversified. Would I only invest in Fundrise? Probably not. You also have to look at real estate ETFs. We'll do a full separate video on those. Hit that like button if you guys want me to check those out too. So we'll see you guys later. Take care, guys.